With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here we have a given question: construct a quadrilateral ABCD if first part AB is 4.3 centimeter, BC is 5.4 centimeter, CD is 5 centimeter, DA is 4.8 centimeter, and angle ABC is 75 degree. And second part is AB is 6 centimeter, CD is 4.5 centimeter, BC equal to AD equal to 5 centimeter, angle BCD is 60 degree. Same as third, AB is 8 centimeter, BC is 5.4 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter, angle A is 60 and angle B is 70 degree. So here first we construct the first, which is AB equal to 4.3 centimeter, BC is 5.4 centimeter, CD is 5 centimeter, DA is 4.8 centimeter and angle ABC is 75 centimeter. With the help of compass, make a line A and B of 4.8 centimeter. This is the 4.3 centimeter line A and B. As on the point B, draw an arc of your measure. As you took, let's suppose this is a something measure, make an simply arc from the point B and just measure from here to here. Let's suppose this is O, A to O, cut an arc here and cut another arc here. From these cutted arc, cut an arc on the above from the point of intersection. Let's suppose this is the straight line. This will be the 90 degree. From this point, cut an arc, and from here, the second arc, cut another arc on the same. So the point of intersect, draw a line from the point B like this. This is the name as C. Let's suppose. So C is, BC is 5.4 centimeter. Took the compass of 5.4 centimeter from point B, cut an arc of 5.4 centimeter. It means this is the 75 degree. As angle we have to make ABC is 75, so it means this is the 75 degree and BC is 5.4 centimeter. Similarly, we have to make CD is 5 centimeter, DA is 4.8 centimeter. So let's take the measure. CD is 5 centimeter. So from C, cut an arc of 5 centimeter. DA is 4.8. So from the point A, cut an arc of 4.8 centimeter. Let's suppose here the point of intersection named as D. So just the point of intersection, draw the line DA and DC. So the CD is 5 centimeter, DA is 4.8 centimeter. So therefore we have drawn a quadrilateral ABCD of given these measures. So this is complete. Similarly, as a second, we have given AB is 6 centimeter, CD is 4.5 centimeter, BC equal to AD equal to 5 centimeter and angle BCD is equal to 60 degree. So similarly, now we have to make the angle BCD. It means the angle is the below this, which is similarly. So let's suppose we will make BC. So the as the took the BC is 5 centimeter. So draw a 5 centimeter. Draw a 5 centimeter line as a BC named. This is B and this is C. On the point of this C, draw an arc of your choice. Let's suppose the starting is O. As OC, cut an arc, and from here cut an, no, this is the first arc, So this arc will be a 60 degree. The first arc will be 60 degree as with the cut by the compass. So draw a line which crosses this point of intersection. So it's like this. This angle is a 60 degree. We have made this. It means this is the angle BCD. So let's suppose the named as D. But as we know, the DC measure as a 4.5. So from the point C, cut a measure 4.5. So this is the 4.5 centimeter and the BC is 5 centimeter. So as we know, the AD is 5 centimeter and AB is 6 centimeter. Took a compass of AB 6 centimeter from the point B, cut an arc of 6 centimeter, and from AD 5 centimeter, from point D cut an arc of 5 centimeter. So the point of intersection named as A. So it means from the point A join B, from the point this cut an arc join A. So it means this is the 5 centimeter, this is 4.5 centimeter, AD is also a 5 centimeter and AB is 6 centimeter. So we have made required quadrilateral ABC as a given measure. So similarly as a third, so the third is given AB is 8 centimeter, BC is 5.4 centimeter, AD which is 6 centimeter, angle A is 60 degree and angle B is 75 degree. So it means we have to make this. So first we have to make angle A and angle B. So AB is 8 centimeter. So make a line of AB which is 8 centimeter. This is the 8 centimeter line A and B. On a point of A make an arc and from B same make an another arc. From the starting of this O and from the starting of this O, measure of AO, cut an arc. First arc will be the 60 degree and from dash O cut an arc. From this cut arc cut an next cutted arc. So now but we have to make the 75 degree. So from both of arc cut an arc above. So it will intersect. This is the temporary line which is as a 90 degree, but we have to make the 75. So 75 between 60 and 90. So where the touches this temporary line here, from here cut an arc above and from not here the outside cut an arc from here above and from this point of intersection cut an another. This point of intersection is a 75 degree. So let's suppose make from B which intersect these point is this, and from here from A make a line. This shows a 60 degree and this shows 75 degree. So now here we have made AB is 8 centimeter, then BC is 5.4. So from B cut an arc of 5.4. So this is the 5.4 centimeter named as C, and AD is 6 centimeter. From A cut an arc of 6 centimeter named as D. This is the 6 centimeter. Join the B and C. So this it means we have made the quadrilateral ABCD of the required measure and angles. So these are the constructions.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.